This is my traveling camping vehicle. It was built on a early second generation Tacoma, and we've taken it all the way up to the top of the Dalton Highway, which is the Arctic Ocean, and I'm presently getting ready to take it down all the way to the tip of Baja. The battery here, I purchased this battery initially because it was priced right. The price was really good, and I said, well, heck, that's the same I'd spend on a good gel battery like an Optima. And this has been 2 years. And basically what it does, it's running off, it's a 100 amp hour, and it's running off two 100 watt solar panels on the roof. And that's it. There's no charging from the alternator or anything else, or generator or anything else, just two solar panels. A fridge under here, so you can actually do kitchen preps on the counter and still have access to the refrigeration. And we have a shower, which was mainly for my wife because she wanted to be able to take hot showers. And it's just been a great product. What can I say? And for the price, it's even more amazing.